Hey everyone, for today's project I am creating a cute pumpkin patch using jumbo popsicle sticks from Walmart. I'm going to cut the bottom off and then I'm going to cut the top into a triangle, and just be sure to sand those down a little bit so they're not too sharp. Step 2, I am using smaller popsicle sticks from the dollar store to create the part that holds the fins together, and I do cut the sides of the popsicle sticks that are going to be hanging a little bit over the edge of the fins so that they are straight. For step 3, I'm staining my fins brown, and to create my stain I used a brown acrylic paint from Apple Barrel and then truffle brown chalk paint from Waverly and a couple of drops of black chalk paint from Apple Barrel, and mixed it with some water. For step 4, I took these gather signs from last year's fall decor from the dollar store, and I glued them together and painted them black. For step 5, I am going to hot glue my fins down to my stand in the middle, and just be sure to give it a good coating of the hot glue, because I'm not going to end up seeing the hot glue because I'm going to be adding some straw on top of the stand to really give it that pumpkin patch look. For step 6, I am hot gluing straw down to the front and back of my stand, and as well as the sides. For step 7, I am giving it a coat of spray adhesive so my straw stays in place. For step 8, I'm going to be painting my aluminum welcome sign black and then giving it a dry brushing of a dark gray. For step 9, I'm going to be creating my pumpkin patch sign that I will be gluing onto my fence along with the welcome sign. step 10, I am going to glue my welcome sign and my pumpkin patch sign to my fins. For step 11, I am going to glue my pumpkins down to my straw. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. This is one of my all-time favorite projects that I've ever done. It was so fun to make and it turned out so cute. Looks like you could pick this up from a store, so I really enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on this project in the comments below. And lastly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Bye everyone!